Louisiana is full of stories. Yours begins here, down one of Louisiana's scenic trails and byways. Southwest Louisiana is a vast and beautiful area, defined by prairie, marsh, and coastal cheniers. A wild and adventurous place, otherwise known as Louisiana's Outback. Here, the Creole Nature Trail, an all-American road, is your guide to stepping out on the wild side and discovering this bountiful and untamed corner of Louisiana. The mesmerizing drive takes you all the way to the Gulf of Mexico, where the marsh melts into the sea. To better understand the unique nature of this 180-mile all-American road, begin your journey at the Creole Nature Trail Adventure Point, where hands-on displays will engage the entire family, providing a sample of the sights and sounds you'll experience out on the trail. Located along the Mississippi and Central Flyways, the Creole Nature Trail is unrivaled when it comes to year-round birding opportunities and foray deep into the watery landscape for awe-inspiring views. Stroll along boardwalks through the tall prairie grasses, or leisurely spend the day shelling along one of the many beautiful beaches, and catch a glimpse of the two industries that fuel the economy working side by side. The city side of the trail, Lake Charles, has a lot to offer too. Museums, art exhibits, and music venues. But the most challenging decision you'll make is where to eat. From unforgettable gas station fare to world-class Louisiana seafood served up in a casual setting, you'll never go hungry or thirsty. Download the app, bring the family, and come experience the beauty and adventure of Louisiana's Outback along the Creole Nature Trail, an all-American road.